Hello everyone, hope you're doing good. Learn how to increase the RAM on your PC or laptop, and you can enhance your gaming performance. Overall, the speed of your laptop will be better because you will have a increased RAM virtual memory on your Windows 10 or Windows 11 computer. So you can use your hard drive to act like RAM as a virtual memory in your computer. So just do a right click in the start icon and then go to settings. And here at the left hand side, we need to go to option called system. Now at the right hand side, we need to scroll down and you will find an option called about, and we will click on that. Now here you will find the device name, installed RAM in your computer. This is a very important part. So you need to also check how much RAM exactly you have, the physical memory in your computer. So I can see I have 8 gigabytes in your computer. You might have 4, 6 or 18 or 16 gigabytes of RAM. Once you are ensured that yes, this is your RAM, and like anything like 4 GB or 6 GB or 10 GB, anything. Once you're confirmed, click on Advanced System Settings. Now, to increase the performance of your computer and increase the RAM for free, we need to go to this Advanced tab. All right. And we will find an option called Performance, Visual Effects, Processor, Scheduling, Memory Usage, and Virtual Memory. I'll click on that, and then we need to go to this Advanced section. Now it says virtual memory. The second, a paging file is an area on the hard disk that Windows uses as if it were RAM. So we will utilize our hard disk to increase more RAM to increase the performance of the computer. Now I'll click on change, and here if it's check mark on automatically, then we need to uncheck it. And since we know how much RAM we have, so here we need to enter the initial size and the maximum size. So we will click on custom size and initial size. I'll tell you the calculation. So the initial size should be 1.5x whatever the RAM we have. So let's say if we have 4 GB RAM, then we need to convert it into MB, and then we need to multiply by 1.5. So I'll open the calculator, CAL. You can do your calculations as well. So I have 8 gigabytes of RAM. In your case, it can be 4, 16, 6, or anything. So now we know we have whatever the RAM we have. Now we need to convert it into megabytes. And how we can convert? By multiplying by 1024. So I have 8 gigabytes of RAM physical memory. I have multiplied by 1024, and I will multiply by 1.5. So it is 12288. So I will enter 122, which is already there actually. So you just need to change only one thing. Like I had 8 GB. So you can have anything, and you can multiply by 1024 and 1.5. Now the next thing is the maximum size, and maximum size says, let me delete that, 3x of the physical memory. So since I'll clean this. Since I have 8 GB RAM, I'll multiply by 3 into 1024. And so here is 24576, which is already there. And once it is there, we just need to click on OK. And I'll click on OK again. And I'll close it. Now we have successfully increased the RAM in our computer, and we just have to restart the computer, and you can let me know the difference, the performance difference, if it has increased the performance, FPS, the overall look and feel experience. Please do let me know in the comment section whether this tutorial has helped you or not. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Please leave a comment. It really motivates me. And if you have any concern, any query, do let me know. I'll try my best to help you guys. I'll see you in the next video. Have a wonderful day. Take care.